Hey guys, I Riyadev Vashni from Team RGR feels fortunate enough to be part of this hackathon. We chose open innovation as our problem statement. In today's scenario, there's no platform available to connect startups with investors and vice versa easily. So we came up with a solution to this problem by making an online platform called Bridge, connecting ideas to investments. So our platform is very helpful for all the phases of journey of an entrepreneur, be it from finding an investor to building their team or from spreading their idea to learning about their competition. And if you are an investor who is looking for a budding startup to invest in or you want to diversify your portfolio, then this is the best suited platform for you. So let's get started. So here you can see certain features like new opportunities, which means that entrepreneurs can easily list out their ideas and interested investors could approach them. Get yourself a guide, which means that you can easily get a mentor for yourself who will be guiding you for your entrepreneurship journey. And if you are a budding startup who knows nothing about this field, could easily learn about startup from our Learn page, where we have hosted certain webinars and seminars as well. Coming towards capacity building, so at times it happens that people who are having ideas but they are lacking workforce. So using our platform, they can connect with people, form their team, and kickstart their startup. Lastly is the networking, which helps to connect investors with a startup and vice versa, hence increasing their network. Now here you can see the stats area, and as I go down, we have listed out certain inspirational stories about certain startups like Deeply, Loanwell and etc. You could even read more about them. Now here comes the FAQ section. So we have listed out certain frequently asked questions and you could read about them. Coming towards the startups in the buzz, these are certain startups connected with us. Similarly, investors who are connected on our platform are also being listed over here. And at the bottom comes the contact us page and the footer. Let's go towards the startup page. So starting with the stats area, which includes how many startups are registered with us, how many of them have been accelerated, etc. Now here we have listed out all the startups connected with us, and if you want to sort them out on the basis of, let's say, fintech or pharma, technology, travel, you could easily sort them out. Coming towards, if you are a new startup and you want to connect with us, you can fill this form and register. At the bottom, we have mentioned certain startups who are funded by investors of our platform. Moving towards investors page. So here we have mentioned all the investors who are connected with us. You can contact them very easily. And if you are a new investor, you can register by filling this form. At the bottom, we have mentioned the testimonial area. So let's try signing in as an investor. So here you can see the dashboard of Walter White. This is how the dashboard looks like. You can edit your profile, view stats and change the setting. At the right panel, you can see the notification from startups coming and the messages coming from the entrepreneurs. So here we have mentioned that Walter White has invested in how many startups. So it's Cred, Grow and Shuttle. You could either review the company or connect with it, and here comes the following page where you can see Farmeasy has been followed by Walter White. So he will be getting the constant updates regarding this particular startup. Let's say if this Walter White wants to invest in Cred startup, he could also follow this particular startup. So going with the invest thing. So clicking on this button will redirect me to the payment gateway, asking me to fill certain details. I'm choosing my debit card. You could have chosen any other payment option as well. And yes, here you see the payment has been successfully done. Now let's sign out from this page and we will now try to sign in as a startup. Here you can see the dashboard for Cred Startup has been opened. You can edit the profile, change the settings, or view the stats. At the right panel, we have mentioned certain details. This is the stats area. And as we go down comes the crowdfunding part where you can register if you want to support crowdfunding for your startup. And here comes the performance analysis, which involves pie charts and column charts. And like you can see, employee satisfaction, operating expense ratio, etc. At the bottom, we have mentioned the team members of that particular startup. Let's sign out from this page. Coming towards the featured section, so here we have listed out all the stories or inspirational stories about various startups, and you could read more about them. And if you are also a startup having a very inspirational story, you can share it with us and we will love to feature you. Coming towards schools and colleges, so we wanted to promote this entrepreneurship culture among school going and college going students, and so we listed out certain communities and organizations which support this entrepreneurship culture among students. Students can easily follow them and join them. And if you are also an organization having same motive, please share your story and we would love to connect with you guys. Lastly comes the Learn page where we have mentioned certain seminars and webinars. One could register for them by clicking on this button. And as I go down, this is a very important page as this is very important for the budding startups who want to learn about this field. So they could click on any of the domains and it will redirect them to the page having videos related to that particular domain. As I go down, you can see find yourself a mentor. So you can send them a mail, connect with them, and you will get a mentor for yourself where you can have a one on one conversation about your growth. So this was all about our project.